Do you know Swinglish?
I know very much Swinglish. It almost sounds like you sing when you talk.
Aha.
Because we talk like this all the time.
Vet du? Jag vill ha ärtsoppa. I have no idea what we're going to do today.
Me neither.
So, this is Stefan.
Stefano.
No. Stefan.
Stefan.
If you're from where I come from, then his name is Stefan. Let's not go there today. This is Stefan, and you didn't bring anything.
No. Well, to be honest, you didn't ask me to bring anything. Well, you told me that you were gonna photograph this one again, your beautiful microphone.
Yes.
Well, it's not that beautiful, if you ask me.
I love it.
It's cooler when you take off the poof.
But you're a sort of a musician, yeah?
Yeah.
So you're happy with this choice?
Absolutely. I thought maybe I could bring a bass guitar or something, but...
Maybe next time.
Next
but
time.
that's a good one, because it's shiny probably, or?
Yeah, it is. Red and shiny.
If you want to make it easy for yourself, then you should shoot matte objects. Because it's much more complicated to shoot shiny things than matte things, I think.
Makes sense.
But today it's a matte microphone, the Shure SM7. We are going to do a
composite.
Yeah,
we are gonna take
several images.
Yeah, and stitch them together in Photoshop.
Yes, we're using one flash because many people only have one flash.
Like me.
Like you.
Yeah.
And you start out with one flash, and I want to show that it's possible to take nice product shots with only one flash.
Yeah.
And then with Photoshop you stitch them together, yes. Comp them together.
That's where the magic happens.
And that's the second video, yes.
Yeah.
But now we should try to take some nice photos of this microphone. And we have not rehearsed this at all.
Nope.
So I hope we will get something nice out of this. I think we should start with turning on the flash and turn on the modeling light.
Beautiful.
Hey, Stefan, where's the coffee?
Ooh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Welcome.
Thank you.
First, I think we should put on something to make the light a bit smaller. Because now it
will fill the whole room now.
Yes, and we don't
bounce
we
everywhere.
don't really need that. Should we have 10 or 5 degree? So we take this, Profoto call them zoom. Do you see me at all?
Power stands.
Profoto call them zoom reflector. And then you put on this, make it more narrow.
Mm-hmm.
So let's do that. Put it on, schmack. So let's take a shot, because we need to have a black frame. And as always, we are shooting tethered cable. The image goes through the cable and into the computer, and it will show up on the screen. So should we take a shot? Black.
Darkness.
Hello darkness, my old friend. So okay, but that's good. Because now we can start to light this microphone. And I thought that we should put up this, so we don't have to hold it. Today we will do a lot of live view. And we will walk around with this flash. And we look at the screen, and when we find a nice light for a detail on the microphone, then we take a shot. And then we move on to the next detail.
All right. Gotcha.
That's the plan. I have no idea if it will work, but this is a Profoto D2 flash. I wish we had the B10, because this is so heavy. It would be nice to walk around with the B10. I have to buy one.
Yeah, or maybe 2.
We need to start live view. We need to be in the dark, as always, because otherwise we cannot see what we're doing. It's very confusing with this LED lights for the video. So we need to shut them down. And it will be like this. What we see now on the live view, if you take a shot with a flash here, this is how it will look.
Okay.
I'm only looking at that one now, this knob there.
Okay.
So I'm moving it very something, maybe something like that. Because now it goes from dark to bright.
Yeah.
This I think will look nice. So we can. Are you strong?
I hope so. Strong enough.
It's very heavy. I really need a B10 coffee. Coffee break. It was so tough to. But now we figure it out. Now we figure out how to do this. And I hope you understand. We will shut down, so we will see the live view.
Yeah.
And then hopefully you will be the light stand, you know.
Yeah.
And then when we find a spot, then I switch back the camera to shooting mode, and then we take a shot. Now we have both up. Live view to the right, and the images went up to the left.
Perfect.
And now we're on live view, and you will find your probably there. We'll see if the power is good. We will see now on the left. I think we need a bit more power. I think we need to, because maybe it's a bit too dark.
What do we do?
What can we do? We have it on maximum power.
Yeah.
So what can we do? This is very thick. It's not necessary to have this thick one, because this will kill 2 stops of light, so that's not too good. And we would like to have this aperture, because f16. But what we can do, we can up the ISO a bit. Let's go up to 400 at least. So let's try again.
All right.
See if this is enough. Maybe we can go down to f14 and ISO 400 and maximum power on the flash. Shut down. We're in live view, and we want this nice knob there. Let's see how this will end up. This is very nice, because this is the only one I'm focusing on now.
Yeah.
Maybe we will find something else that will look also nice, but as a bonus. And I think we should focus on the body up here now.
Okay.
See if we can find a spot where it looks nice. Back to live view. It's a bit, the modeling light, I think, is it too powerful? We can put it down a bit. This is nice, I think. Should we take one? Take this one.
Maybe something like that.
We can try that one. And what did we get? It's a bit powerful, I will say, up there. Maybe I need to take down the power like down to 8 or something.
Down to 8 we go. That looks pretty.
Yes, that's very nice. And also, because now we're focusing on this part, yes, and this is kind of nice also. Maybe we can make some grain if we hold the flash from the top or something.
Yeah, but do we want, because right now it's much brighter over here than it's not even.
Exactly. Should we make another try where you try to get it more evenly through the whole? Yeah. So let's shut down.
Maybe something.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah.
Should we try that one? Den tar vi, sa polisen.
That looks much nicer.
I wish it was a bit stronger, a tiny, maybe up to 9. That's nice.
Now we're talking.
I like it a lot.
I even like the light on the.
And this also, actually, you got everything.
We're done for today. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.
That's all for today. We got the perfect picture.
It looks very nice, but it's a bit dark on. I think we should work on make it so it will separate from the background.
Yeah, maybe a little rim light.
You know, rim light, people. You even see us today. It's like we're talking. It feels like I'm talking like this all day. Rim light. Get some flash from behind, yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm wondering if we need to diffuse it or not. We can try with only a bare flash, just holding it, and we look at the live view again. And I will take this off so we can see, so you can see the screen. And we go dark again, and then I go to live view mode. Aha! Look!
Very beautiful.
A lot of stuff going on there. And exactly, lighting it up like inside there also is nice.
Yeah.
So right now, Stefan is only, you're just testing out where you think it looks nice.
That's pretty cool.
I think this is very nice now. This one.
Yeah.
And we have all these rim lights. I love when you hit this inside. And
Oh, like this?
It gets like a gradient there, yeah. Should we take a test?
Yeah.
This is beautiful. Well done. Now we get a rim light there, nice rim light. Maybe it could. It's fine. And this also, and look at this.
That is very
But
nice.
how is this possible? You were holding the flash from the back, and we got a really nice rim light, and also inside this holding the mic.
Yeah.
And we also suddenly got this one. I think we should do something to lit up the name of the product, but probably this will be nicer together because this is a bit too thin. I think this is a reflection from the C-stand or something.
Yeah.
You were hitting, yes, probably hitting here, and then it bounces back. You should actually have black C-stands, so then it will not reflect. Matte black C-stand, does it exist?
If not, we have a business idea.
So it's so fun with you're singing there, the live view.
Yeah!
So let's take some more shots. I think we should go have the diffusion, and then maybe we can find to lit up the name.
Yeah.
Maybe. We'll see. But let's try the one you were talking about to try to get some light through this membrane. So let's take another one. Maybe you can find something fun. Oh, it's very nice when you can get, if you can get like a gradient on the front there, maybe.
Something like that, or
maybe you can try see if there is something else. You know, we can take as many as we want, and then we throw away the ones we don't use. You know.
Yeah.
Because maybe this detail can be nice to have in the retouch process.
That's pretty cool.
Let's take that one. Ah, really nice.
I like how you see the membrane on that one.
I really would like to have something on this side of the knob, but this is too bright.
Put down the power.
Put down the power, yes. Because when you're shooting matte stuff, everything is matte, 100%.
Yeah.
So then you really don't need to use diffusion, because the material is matte, so it will take care of everything for you, so you don't need to diffuse it really. So let's try just to put down the power like you suggested.
That looks pretty nice on the knob, right?
Yes, let's try that one.
Ooh.
Yeah, we can use that one. And this is, now we were focusing on this detail.
Yeah.
And in combination with, which one was it? This one might be looking good. And this is also a bit nice. And this also.
Yeah.
But what do we need more? You have to imagine final image.
Yeah.
You can just try, you know, testing and see if we can find something else. Maybe just something like this. There are parts that will be totally dark, because now we just have a black background. Maybe we need to try to create a rim light around the whole microphone somehow. The best thing would be to have a softbox. And then I would take a card. I was thinking maybe we just do like this. Now we got this one. I don't know if this is helpful. You see, now we get these very, very tiny rim lights.
Yeah. The cable looks pretty cool.
Yeah, we get very, very nice rim lights, but we'll see.
Yeah.
If we use that one. Do you think we have all the parts? Maybe we have.
I think so.
We have the logo. We have a
the
nice on the body. We had a few ones on the knob, both there and there.
Yeah.
And we hold the membrane in front very nicely, and also a few different variations. And this nice you made inside there.
Yeah.
And we also have a nice rim light of the cable there. I think we will have something. It will be something in the retouching, of course.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think we have all the photos we need.
Yeah.
I hope so. Otherwise you have to come back, Stefan, and then we have to take a few more.
I'm more than happy to come back. It was super fun.
That's nice to hear. And I hope you guys got something out from this.
Yeah.
And really nice that you dropped by.
Yeah, my pleasure. Subscribe.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
And maybe hit the bell also so you get notifications when there is a new...
And give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up is good. And as always, see you next
time.